Hey guys, it's me, Thriftasticmom, and I know you're probably wondering, why is her hair wet? She's never been on here with wet hair. Well, I was getting ready for the day, and I thought I would go ahead and share with you a new tool that Etekcity sent me. They have sent me several things over the past couple years, and I can honestly say that everything has been a great, high-quality item, so I haven't had any complaints with any of the things they've sent me. And they reached out to me again and asked me did I want to try out a new hair product that they just launched like last week. So it's hot off the presses. But anyway, they sent me this. I was like, sure, you know, it is a volumizing brush, but I figured I'd try it anyway. You know, this girl really don't need no volume because I got plenty of it. But you may want to try out one of these, and you may need more volume than I do. So anyway, I wanted to try it today on my hair and let you guys kind of see what it does and see if I like it. I can honestly say I have never used any kind of blow dryer hairbrush on my hair. This is the Etekcity Quattro Ionic hair dryer and volumizing brush. That's what it looks like. And they just launched this thing, they said like over a week ago. I've had this thing probably for 2 weeks and I just hadn't got around to trying it out yet. But I talked with them through email and they was like, yes, it's already launched. So I wanted to go ahead and put it out there in case anybody is looking for something like this. And hopefully my hair will turn out as pretty as hers, huh? But we're going to get into it and see what we can do. I just took a shower, my hair's wet. And I'm going to put on a little bit of products that I use in my hair, a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of styling gel. And then I'm going to get started with this. Now let's see what's in it right quick. It says package contains the hairdryer volumizing brush, 2 styling clips, 1 user manual, and 1 quick start guide. Now I don't know if I'm going to use the styling clips. I mean, I know some people, I've watched videos where people have used different kind of brushes like this, and they, you know, like clipped up their hair and just did certain parts. So I don't know if I'm going to do that, because when it comes to my head, y'all, I'm kind of lazy as far as just, you know, going extra with it. I just want to fix it and be done. So I don't know if I'm going to use the clips. I may put them in my hair just to see how good they hold my hair, because I do have a lot of hair. But, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to clip off each section. I'm probably just going to blow dry it like I normally do, give myself a good blowout, and see how it works. It says that it has convenient styling, 3 heat levels, power ionic air. I'm trying to see. I really haven't even looked at this since I got it. 1-step drying and styling. It says whether you want curl, straighten, or create a salon-style blowout, Etekcity's Quattro Ionic hairdryer and volumizing brush creates any style in a fraction of the time and reduces heat damage. The volumizer lets you brush as you dry, making hair gorgeously voluminous without all the tangles. Cool. So we're going to try this thing out and see how it works. And I just opened it up. I haven't even been in the box. That's kind of what it looks like. And from what I can see, this thing's huge. Oh my goodness. I didn't know it was that big. Wow. That's a big curling brush. So that's what it looks like on the box. This is what it looks like coming out of the package. It's got everything's nice and neat, wrapped up. Y'all, that's a big brush. Woo-wee, look at that. But yeah, I mean, that's huge. Just look how big that brush is. So we're going to see how it works. It's really a nice design. I love the colors, the pink and the black. Really pretty. So overall, how it looks is really nice. It says off, cool, low, and high right here. But it does give you 2 little clips. 2 of these little long clips like that. And then, of course, it's got all the little papers and booklets that go with it that probably show you how to use it, but you know me, I'm probably not going to look at that. I just just go and use it. Most time I don't look, unless it's something I just can't understand how to use. Yeah, it shows you all the safety instructions and what all the parts are and where the air comes in and out and all that stuff. So we're just going to use it and see what happens for this old country girl that don't spend a lot of time on her hair. So we're going to see what happens. I don't know if y'all have noticed in my videos either lately that I did get some more highlights. You can kind of tell. My hair is a little lighter than what it normally is. And don't pay no attention to my eyebrows. I got to go get them done. But yeah, I did get some more highlights. I think I like it a little better darker though, so I may not get any more highlights. But anyway, we got the clips. I'm going to lay them to the side because I'm probably not going to use them. Sorry, Etekcity. Okay guys, here we go. We're going to see what we can do with this hair. Okay, right off the bat, I turned it on. It's got a cool, so it blows out cool air to start with on pretty high cool. And then it'll go to low heat and then a high heat. So I am going to start it off on a high heat. All I've dried is right here so far, and I like the way that looks. It's curling it good. Normally I have to use my roll brush and hair dryer at the same time and do this, but this was able to get a lot of hair up under here at one time like that, and blow dry it really quick. But I love how that's curling under because that's the way I like to wear my hair. So let's go ahead and finish up. I just curled that and I love the way that it made that. I never can get this from using my hair dryer and roll brush. Look how pretty that went back. I love the way that looks. Look at that. It has never, with a roll brush and hair dryer, went back so pretty. This is the way I like my hair to look. I like for it to fly back here and then go under here. And look how good that's flying back. That was just with one roll of drying it. Oh my goodness. Wow, and it made a cute little, I like my hair to kind of do that. Perfect. Wow. Still a little bit wet back here. I'm going to do a little bit more over the back, but oh my goodness. That right there's life-changing in itself, because this is like my most troubled spot. Now I will say, this gets hot because it's a hair dryer, so you know you have to be careful when it's on when you're rolling it. So that's why I get the hair in it and roll it and then I hold it. It has this little end. It gets a little hot here on the black, so really this is what you have to hold, is the little pink edge if you're going to use the, you know, the hold it by the end. Use the little pink part here because this gets a little warm. But I mean, it's doable for sure. But yeah, I'm going to finish drying my hair. Whew, hashtag impressed. Look how pretty that looks. I could just spray it and go. That is so pretty. I love how pretty that's going back. Normally I would have to get out a curling iron and try to curl this back, and it always looks real frizzy. Even with my products I use, after I blow dry my hair most time, my hair looks real frizzy right in here because I'm constantly trying to style it where it'll go back like I want it. But look at that. That's just with blow drying it. I love it. Wow, thanks Etekcity for sending me this if you're watching. I love this thing. That is nice. I mean, that's all in one step, doing blow drying and doing my curl. And that's pretty much all I do. Now, you may say I'm doing it all wrong because I'm not clipping my hair, but, I mean, this is every day how I do my hair with a hairdryer. I don't use special clips. Now, these are really nice and tight, so, yeah, I can see them holding your hair. I may use these, you know, some other time. Sometimes I clip my hair back out of my face with them. This thing's really nice, so I'm going to put a link down below for you guys. You can go check it out, maybe purchase you one if you like it. It's really nice. I like it. No complaints. It gets hot just like a hairdryer, so you have to be careful with that. But it does have a cooling button on it and everything, you know, to cool you off. So, yeah, I'm happy with it. Really nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on this new hairdryer that Etekcity sent me. It's the Etekcity Quattro Ionic hairdryer and volumizing brush. Check the link below. Go check it out. It's really nice. I love it. Get you one. I'm going to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, y'all give me a big thumbs up. Y'all leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos like this one. And I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye.